my god, I shall cherish this forever. That's it, Oopie.
Let's back to another video. We're here with Butter Monkey, like earlier, and with chat up there. I'll probably add him on Oculus later. So today we're gonna play Hide and Seek Snitch Edition with these two guys. So he's gonna start off it. He's gonna go to the gazebo and forest and count to 30.
Exactly. Okay. I dropped my controller.
So go to forest and count.
Wait.
Go to the gazebo.
Is there like a map limit? Like which maps? Or?
No mountains. That's all.
Or no canyons. Or no canyons. No mountains. Or down there.
Okay. Or no caves, no canyons, and no mountains.
So that means really only in here, or in city.
Okay.
Here, hold on, wait. I'll just wait on top of stump. All right.
It's hide or snitch. Wait. Okay. Well. No, go in the gazebo. Okay, what are we doing? Let's go. Let's go. No, yeah, I think they're right now. Let's go. Oh, no, it's an option. Yeah, I just wanted to go down. Wait, what's the number? It's 131. It's 131. No, this one's 131. Oh, no, which one's 1? Oh, frick, it's 410. No, you count the 1 minute. Count the 1 minute. Not yet. Wait, hold on. Let me change my...
I'll just count to 60 instead of going 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. No, not yet. Alright. Trying to do this. How do you take them off? I'm stupid.
Oh, you just gotta press on them
again.
I'm just gonna Caleb, just take all them off.
Okay, let's go.
Do you have all your cosmetics off? Okay, yes you do.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, everybody's watching. This is an amazing hiding spot. You can use it for yourself.
7.
We figured out this hiding spot a long time ago.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Get down here.
17.
Crawl in. Crawl in. Oh, come down here. Oh. Come down here. Get down here.
21. 22. 23.
I was dying.
Are y'all ready? Just let me know.
Yeah, we're ready. You can come. Stay down.
Oh, okay. Both of y'all are ready? I just spit all. Right? Both of y'all are ready?
Me too. Yeah, we're ready.
Color, stop moving.
You're the one that's moving.
I saw y'all. You watched us, didn't you? You watched us, bro. No,
we didn't.
Look. Right here, there's a little crack. This used to be my hiding spot. I always hide here.
Round 2. See you, boys. I'm going to forest.
Alright, where should we hide?
Okay, so guys, this is our time to hide. This is our time to count. So now we're gonna go to count in forest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now I'm gonna go hide. Now I'm gonna go find them.
Wait. We said 60.
Yeah, we said 60. No, I did 30.
Yeah, but we all agreed.
I said 30 at first, and we all agreed.
Whatever.
So,
we said 60.
Where could they be?
We're ready.
No. So my microphone is gonna be turkey leg. Are they behind any of the presents? Oh, they're in clouds, man. Remember, no canyons, no mines, and no mountains.
Yep.
Oh my god, where can you guys be? I know. Are they in that spot? No, what the frick?
Caca.
Hey guys, it's Daddy Dingle Ningles here. Okay, no, he isn't.
Star.
Oh my god. I'm about to die. Remember, it's Stitch. It's Snitch Edition. So if you know where the other person's hiding, you could come out right now and get found and snitch on them. Oh my god. Caleb, do you have anybody you want to snitch on, Caleb?
I want to snitch on him. I want to snitch on him. I want to snitch on him. Let me go. Let me go.
Your wish has been granted.
I'm sorry, Richard. I'm sorry.
Wait, where is he? Oh, he's down here. You have to get tagged.
Bye-bye.
You have to accept your fate.
Yes. I do. I don't want to be that guy. All right.
Now go to forest.
I want to snitch on someone.
I'm gonna juke you like I juked that angel. Oh, clipped!
Yeah, but you got tagged.
We're gonna talk. So, guys, that's it for hide and seek. We're gonna go on to the next minigame. Guys, we're back, and we're gonna be playing Monkey on the Shelf for our next minigame in the minigame tournament. And whoever wins this whole minigame tournament, I don't know what happens. I do have a Discord server. They can get mod and they can get mod in that.
What? You got a Discord server?
Yeah, it's public, and I already have like a dank meme. I already have bots in it.
Okay. Might join.
So, okay, yeah. So
I can.
whoever wins gets mod in my Discord server.
Ooh, I want to win. I want to.
Really
I've never had mod.
Start again?
I started recording again. Yeah.
I'm just going to the same video, bro.
Oh, yeah. I guess that could have been a little smarter to do. Okay. So we're playing Monkey.
I didn't mean to do that.
So we're actually
You
playing.
still got beat in. I know.
Okay.
go on
What's
the
the
show.
first thing you delete?
I'll make a smart choice and delete this, not including the. Okay. Oh, not including the heads. Yeah. Oh my god. So this is how y'all play?
Bro, Caleb, the ornaments help so much. Caleb, watch this. Okay. So the first round winner is me. Look how this new update helps.
Hold on.
Caleb, look.
Wait. I have a question.
What?
I have a question.
Yeah.
If no untagged, is this still deleted?
No.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, yes,
Oh,
yes.
no,
Okay,
no.
yes.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Wait, no. No.
Okay, no, it's not.
No, it's not. It's not.
Well, alright, I delete. Wait, if I delete one of these, can I delete all of them or just one?
Yeah. You can delete all.
No.
Alright,
Yes, you
I
can.
delete all of them.
Okay, yeah, you can do that.
Alright.
Hold on.
Safe? I saw it. You were a pixel. My bad. I just froze for a second. Alright.
Okay, so what should I delete? What do you delete?
On this including the heads.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna go. Oh jeez. I haven't done this though in a while. Oh, you smart.
Nah, you could have just did this. So.
I know.
Oh, he touched the ground.
Oh, daddy. Okay. You know what? I want to go with something different. I delete all the ornaments. Oh, that's different.
How are you supposed to? No, that's not fair. Why can't you just delete one ornament? No, how about you only delete one ornament? What ornament do you delete? Wait, no, you can only delete one ornament. What ornament do you delete?
Alright, then I delete this, including the heads. Wait. Restart.
Restart. Okay, restart.
I delete this, including the heads.
Oh, I'm so lucky. I just saved myself. I saved myself.
No, your hand was on it. Your hand was on it.
My hand was on the ground, but it was still up here. Go back. Go back. Bro really just ran into me.
I know. I did it on purpose. What are you deleting? This, including the heads. There. I see you. Touch the ground. You saw that? I saw it.
Okay. Well, guys, that's it for Monkey on the Shelf. Now we're gonna go to Color Rush. You're starting off as it. Go. Oh, guess like we're playing this way then. No, he is.
Oh no, I don't want to play this way. I do not want to play it.
Wait, we're doing a mini game tournament.
Wait, follow me.
No, we're playing Color Rush.
Black. Alright.
Now you have to get to the info box.
Wait, what? Hold up.
You have to get to the info box.
Yeah, I'll let you behind me right there. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
And blue.
Look, me and my friend, we usually don't do that. Usually we just have to get out the store. Come on! Yay! What color do you do? Go back. You go back. Blue. Come on, blue. You got it? You got this? Yes, you does. Okay, black. Embarrassing. Ooh. Damn it!
Give me them toes, bro.
You know what? I want to call dark red. Dark red.
Not
you,
blue.
Bro. You. Oh no, I'm stuck in the lights, bro. Hold on. Let's restart. Sorry. Go. It's fine. Alright. But I'm calling you again. Alright? Just that. Yeah.
Me?
Go. Yes, go. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Let's brighten up the Gorilla Tag community.
Blue. Go blue. Come on, blue. Hi. Kyler, that's my first time ever tagging you.
Dark red.
Oh man. That's my first time ever, bro. I'm grateful for myself. First time tagging you. Then you have to.
Come at me.
Oh my god. Come on, get him!
Oh, black. Sorry.
Alright, I have to. You know.
Do you like my slingshot?
No! Alright.
Slay Queen! Kobe. Yeah. Oh, he called blue.
No, I didn't. Alright, blue. Easy.
Hey, that's not fair. I wasn't ready.
Yeah, well, you said I called you.
Black.
Alright, Alright. Damn it.
See,
I don't know. When are you gonna go? You know what? Dark red.
beat it, beat it, beat it.
Oh.
Twisted ankles, bajankles.
I don't even know how that happened.
Black, blue, come at me.
Got stuck in the lights, bro.
Bro.
Black.
Alright. Jingle big jingles.
Do you what?
Jingle
After a couple more matches, we're gonna end color. What are you doing? You crack cocaine / monkey?
I wanted to.
Alright,
go.
No, not Oculus.
What color? Alright. You know what? I want dark red.
Oh! Dang!
Alright, blue. Come here.
Dang! Okay,
Come on, dark red.
get over here, Black. So, that's it for today. Me and Butter is out. Bye!